Australians are asking whether that's obstructing the field. And he's been given out. Well, that's a surprise. Stokes can't believe it.
Bowled. After the ball is bowled, the batter misses it or they deflect it by accident and it hits the stumps and the bails come off. Bowl to them, then they are out, hit wicket.
He's been given out, handled the ball.
If, after a ball is bowled, a batter deliberately strikes the ball for a second time before it reaches a fielder, they are out, hit the ball twice. The ball and it hits them on the leg in line with the stumps, they can be out, not have pitched outside the line of leg stump, and it must have hit the batter in line with the stumps. Usually occurs when the wicketkeeper is standing up to the stumps. They can break the wicket with the ball if the batter strays outside of the batting crease and hit the stumps before either the bat or the batter has crossed the line at the end of the pitch the batter is running to. The bat or batter must be grounded for the batter to be in.
And that's out.
Timed out. After the fall of a wicket, the incoming batter must be ready to take guard and receive the next ball within 3 minutes of the prior dismissal.